Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Start by collecting the essentials you already control. You should list every account where contacts might live: email providers, phone carrier, cloud backups, social and work apps. Once done, gather ID and any recovery email or phone numbers. This speeds verification. Make sure you identify recent devices used to sign in and approximate password or account creation dates since providers ask. This first stage reduces back and forth and proves ownership quickly, so you can move to detailed recovery without delays. Now systematically search backups and syncing services where contacts are stored. You should log into Google, iCloud, Microsoft, and any phone backup to export contacts as CSV or vCard. Label each file with date and source. Then inspect social apps and messaging services for exported or archived contact lists. Once you have exports, check for duplicates and merge carefully. If an account is locked, use the provider's recovery flow while noting any confirmation codes or device prompts to confirm ownership before restoring data. Finish by importing the cleaned contact file into your primary contacts app and verify critical entries: phone, email, and company details, so you can reach people immediately. Once imported, enable two-step recovery and add a recovery email or phone to prevent future loss. If import fails or contacts remain missing, contact provider support with proof of ownership and request an escalated review. Include timestamps and sample messages to speed resolution. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache and retry import with a different format if fields misalign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.